gone? Steve? Am I going the wrong way?
You're going the right way. Well, I wouldn't say it's the right way, it's just a way.
I'm filming it.
There's old skeletons down there. Which way? That way?
Yeah, I like that way. Where do we end up? We're going to join on to the other one, aren't we?
It's going to lead us round here to a dead end.
This is trippy, man, if you're off your head. Alan?
Dead end.
This is crazy, isn't it? We have to climb over it in a minute. Round we go.
I can already feel the starvation.
This way.
It's definitely this way.
No, it's this way, Alan.
Oh, it's definitely this way.
Oh yeah, it is, isn't it? Hang on.
Yeah.
No, I've got there, Alan. Alan.
This is like
That's cheating, that is.
Cheater!
You have to go back 10 steps. Alan. How the fuck you get up there?
You taking a picture? Yeah.
How you get up there?
Oh, he's got the height advantage.
How do you get up there?
Presuming that's the end.
I'm following with it. How the fuck do you get around here? Was it down here, Alan?
Yeah, must be right.
This is some trippy shit, innit? Steve! Down here.
It's the short cut. Found it? Woo! Yeah, we're here.
Alan!
That was amazing. That was amazing. Yes.
I thought they were in the middle until I got here. What's that one like, though?
This is the middle, then that's the second half to it.
What, to get out?
Yeah, it's like the maze over there. Do we do it?
Yeah, well, we ain't going to get back, are we?
1, 2, 3. Which way are you going to go? Left or right? Left or
Louise,
right?
go left. Go left. Go left. Go left. Go left.
It's like, what, Crystal Maze, isn't it?
Yeah.
Crystal Maze.
Don't forget the crystals.
Get the crystal.
Go straight.
Forward. Come this way. Come this way. Come this way.
Get the crystal.
Straight on.
Deeper.
Well, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.